In this video, I'd like to explain how to use mining operating systems. Let's say at the present moment I'm not going to discuss about proof of work or proof of stake, and I believe that all of you know about these things. So I'm just focusing and diving into how to actually mine using Hiveos. For your information, there are some applications and also browsers that can be used for mining on an application on an operating system such as Windows or Linux or any other kind of operating systems. But in this example, actually, I'm going to discuss about how to create a rig and then how to start mining with Hiveos. First of all, you have to know that based on this power supply that you're using for your computer, you have to check whether, for example, the power of your power supply, for example, if it's 750 watt, so you have to use maximum 4 or 7 graphic card, 4 or 5 graphic cards such as RTX 3060, and you cannot use more than that. So it depends based on how many graphic cards that you have, and based on that you can provide power supply. So you need a main board and how many graphic cards that you have. Then you have to use a main board based on how many PCI Express or mini PCI slots that can be used for your graphic cards. So the main, actually this processing, central processing unit and random access memory are not that much important for mining. The only thing that is very important is the number of the graphic cards and your power supply that you have to use them. The riser actually as a device, something like this device, which is connected to mini PCI, and in this main board I'm using 3 graphic cards, and that's why only I have 3 risers, and the graphic cards are installed on the risers connected to this panel. Actually it's just for testing, not really for mining that much money. So this is the power supply that you can see, 750 watts. So it's quite let's say sufficient for 3 graphic cards, and you can start mining based on Hiveos, which is a powerful operating system, Linux based operating system. Now let's see how to create a flash memory for Hiveos. I'm diving to that section. I'm not discussing about DPN, decentralized actually private network, which is also a device for mining and also simultaneously as a VPN or proxy that you can bypass all the filters which are created by different governments. By the way, let's discuss about how to create the how to create actually the bootable flash disk on Hiveos. You have different methods, like let's say in a command prompt you can type list disk and then check the disks and then select disk number 6, and finally you can say okay, clean. By this way you can clean the disk, or you can actually create a bootable disk, flash disk. For example, these files that you can download from the Hiveos website, etch a portable for example, is an application for creating the flash memory, and also Hiveos as well. It's an image file, and actually you can use these two files in order to create your what do you call it, flash disk. For example, if you download the file using torrent or zip file, it doesn't matter. You can use balena etcher and then give it the image size and select the flash memory. It's the name of the flash memory that you have it, and flash it using press flash, and then it will start and finalize creating your flash disk. And then once your flash is finished, you have to create account in Hiveos, and then by clicking the rig config you can change the rig, and then actually you have to overwrite this rig config file based on your own ID, such as rig underscore 4762233. Once you have done, it's okay, then you can start mining. For mining, actually you have to create the flight sheet, and then after creating the flight sheet you have to create the wallet. It depends based on creating your wallet via BTC, or maybe you create your wallet on Trust Wallet. And once you create it, you have to select the type of cryptocurrency that you want to mine, and done, finished. Then you can start mining. As you can see, for example, you can download Trust Wallet and open in your browser, and after opening in your browser, if you want to, for example, mine RVN, you can click on maybe all the cryptocurrencies that you're looking for or you're trying to mine are not in this list, so you have to click on this icon and then add RVN. Once you added the RVN, you will press on receive, and then you have to copy and paste this address to the Hiveos, actually in a wallet part. If you want to mine, for example, RVN, for example, this is on a Binance Trust Wallet. Once you copy and paste it here, it will mine and directly actually deposit the money in your RVN account in Trust Wallet, as you can see. Or you can mine simultaneously many other things. For example, at the same time that you're mining RVN, you can mine also ETC as well. For example, you come and set up miner config, click on set up miner config, and then start mining different cryptocurrency at the same time. For example, as you can see, for example, here it's about 22.626 RVN already are pending to deposit inside your Trust Wallet RVN. And as you can see here, it's pending right now. For simultaneous mining, also, as I mentioned, you can set up a miner config and then select the what do you call it, for example, devices 01. It means that the graphic card 1 and graphic card 0 and graphic card 1, which is started from 0, that index. So it will start mining for Kaupa, which means that RVN. This is the algorithm, and then again you can say that okay, the second one also will start mining ETC. So in this part also you can select the graphic card devices like this one exactly, and if you press on this I or information, it will help you to create your actually mining process. Once you have done, it will start mining, and as you can see, it's mining simultaneously RVN and also ETC. And then if you want to go to the shell, actually in Hiveos you can press on this icon to go to the shell, or for example, if you want to connect via Wi-Fi, you just need to type Wi-Fi, enter, and also you will see the list of all the access points around you. For example, in my case, my access point name, it was Miracle, so I pressed on Miracle, and again I started typing actually the password here, and then it will connect via access Wi-Fi access point. So this is how to start mining in within Hive, what do you call it, Hiveos. In the next video, I'm going to explain how to actually transfer the money to other accounts. For example, if you have mined some ETC, then how to transfer this money to your other accounts, such as from via BTC to your Nobitex account, and then convert it to the what do you call it, money, and then what do you call it, you can easily deposit to your account. Do not forget to actually like it and subscribe as well. Thank you very much for watching.